down as a federal grand jury investigation. Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An informant led officers of Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Butte early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art.
Hey, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. You better run. You better run. He chops you up. He cuts your neck. He cuts you through your chest, your neck. He cuts you up in pieces. He cuts you up in pieces. Cuts you in half. Next thing you know, your legs is all gone, and you're like, goddamn, you're hanging on a hook. Yeah, cause he hangs them on a hook. Yeah, it's shook. Yeah, it's shook. Yeah, it's shooking, but it really just happened, man. Yeah, it's a frightening man. His name is Thomas. That's his name, man. That's his name, man. Thomas something Hewitt. Thomas something Hewitt. That's the real Texas Chainsaw Massacre's name. His real name. He was born on August. That's all I know. Shit. Oh. Yeah. Why would a semi-truck driver literally save a girl, get back in the semi-truck, then next thing you know, he didn't even drive off, he just goes out through the other door on the other side? That's retarded. Why would you even do that? The semi-truck driver managed to get away, but some say that he's still alive, still running for his life, but he's probably already dead. Yeah, been so many years, man. Hey, you get cut up, you get your neck chopped off, you get your neck chopped off, you get your head hit with a sledgehammer, you get hit in your head with a sledgehammer already. Fucking no, you better run. You better run, cause he's gonna cut you up for fun. He don't give a fuck shit. He don't give a fuck, nah. He don't give a fuck. He do what he gotta do. If he gotta chop a nigga up, he gon' chop a nigga up. He gon' hang a nigga on a motherfucking hook. Yeah. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre is a crazy movie. They say it's inspired by a true story. Better watch out before you get chopped up.